Hit it.
Hey mamas and papas, we're back with another video. This one's gonna be another budget-friendly idea for a play activity that is developmentally appropriate. You don't see it yet, but David is gesturing to the activity that we have set up. It's on the table out in front of us, but we haven't set the camera up just right.
Stay tuned for an awesome, easy, fun, friendly budget activity.
Boom! We're bringing back another idea with Post-its, and today we've actually cut them out in different shapes. So we've actually cut them out so the sticky part is behind the shape. And what we're going to do next is how you can use this activity with your infant or toddler, preferably your toddler.
Stay tuned.
So as you can see, the shapes that we just showed you, there's a bigger paper with the same shape. So we have triangles, we got a big old circle, and a big old square. Now with the cutouts of the Post-it, you can tell your toddler to match them. So David, how would you roll this out?
So I would roll this out by just giving an easy, simple question.
Okay, such as?
Little Johnny, can you find the little pink triangle?
Little pink, oh, there it is.
Ooh, little pink triangle. Now that we identify little pink triangle, maybe I might give a little tap. Triangle. Wow.
Check that out. And
Good
you can
job.
do this with all of the shapes and colors. So you can say, put the yellow circle inside the big circle. So we're working on our descriptive language there. Next, you can say, put the pink square inside the big square, taking the pink square and putting it into the big square. There's a ton of ideas that you can do with this. You don't always have to have them spaced out in front. You can hide it around your living room, their room, and then it becomes more of a find and seek game. You can have tons and tons of fun with this. And it only costs you $1.
You know, running with that, you can also on the move. What if we want to take this in the car? What if we want to take this to maybe a relative's house that, you know, we don't have lots of games, or they don't have children who have games or toys? Well, this is something mobile you can take to maybe even work on something. For one, identifying shapes. 2, receptive questions. 3, cognitive tasks by matching. It's endless, and it's friendly little things that we can use, or friendly little things that you can buy. And everyone has paper. You don't have to use blank paper. You can use lined paper. It doesn't matter. You maybe even have old paper, construction paper from old activities from, you know, a year ago.
That is
You can
right.
use that. You know?
Very simple, to the point, fun game, and you're working on learning shapes as well as colors.
If you don't even want to color, or if you don't want to draw, if you have Microsoft Office, you can just print out shapes, large shapes on singular paper. Use your printer. Boom. Same there. If you don't want to use colors, same thing.
But use your imagination and make it cost effective. There's tons of means out there to be super cost effective and efficient.
And then to hold this activity, you put these papers in maybe a folder. To hold these activities, you put these in a paper folder. You put the little shapes. Maybe you separate the shapes into maybe a little baggie. And now you're on the road and it's mobile. You put it into a paper folder. You put your shapes into a little baggie, sandwich baggie, put it all together, put it away for another day.
There we go. Another quick, cost-effective, and efficient game that you can play with your toddler. Please like, subscribe, share, follow for more ideas.
Thank you.